Hello, everyone. Welcome to class number 2. Today, we're going to see the family. So, my name is Wanda. I am 40 years old, and this is my family. This is me, okay? This is Wanda. They are very important to me in my life. So, this is my mother. Can you see my mother? She's a teacher. She's a teacher. This is my father. This is my father. He's a doctor. He's a doctor. He works at the hospital. I have one brother. This is my brother. My brother. He's 10 years old. And his name, this is my brother, his name is Tom. I also have friends, not family, friends. She is Laura. She's very kind. She's very nice. This is Mark. He is very funny. He makes me laugh. He's very funny. And we are very happy together. So we say, I am Wanda. You are a student. He, he is Mark. He is Mark. She is Laura. She is Laura. It works for animals and objects. We, all together, we are a family. We are a family. You are students. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 students. You are students. And Laura and Mark, they are my friends. So we say, I am your teacher, or I'm your teacher. You are a student. You are. He is my brother, or he is my friend, Mark. She is my friend, Laura. We are, Mark, Laura, and me, we are very happy. You are 20 students in the class, a group. And they are, Mark and Laura, they are very kind. They are very nice. And we have family members. My mother, remember, she's a teacher. My father is a doctor. I have a sister also, and I have a brother, Tom. Remember Tom? I also have a husband, and I'm the wife. And we have a son and a daughter. So let's go back to the picture. This is me, Wanda, my father, my mother, my husband, and I'm the wife of my husband. My brother, my daughter, and another daughter. They are girls. And finally, we have occupations. What do you do? I am a teacher. What do you do? Are you a doctor? Are you an engineer? Are you an accountant with numbers? Are you a businessman or a businesswoman? Do you have a business? Are you a pilot? Or are you a bus driver? What do you do? Remember, you can use the dictionaries to help yourselves. Bye-bye.